Headlines of the day. Faraday Future expands EAI robotics through new U.S. distributor partnership. Faraday Future signs a new agreement with a leading U.S. robotics distributor, advancing its EAI robotics strategy and preparing for its Built in USA partner conference. Gateway Fiber appoints David Curran as Chief Technology Officer. Gateway Fiber appoints David Curran as Chief Technology Officer, strengthening its technology leadership and supporting continued network development, innovation, and operational growth across its fiber infrastructure. Navatech strengthens Japan presence with new Tokyo office. Navatech strengthens its presence in Japan by opening a Tokyo office, expanding its local capabilities and supporting clinical research services for pharmaceutical and biotechnology companies.